Sometimes, you may notice a red X on the sound icon in the Windows taskbar. And if you hover the cursor over it, it shows a no speaker or headphones are plugged in error. And if you're also having the same problem, here are a few troubleshooting steps to help you fix the problem. First, run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter by opening Settings, go to System tab, go to Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, and click the Run option for playing audio. Then, click Next on the troubleshooter and apply any recommended fixes and check for any improvements. Additionally, perform an audio device driver rollback. To do so, open Device Manager, navigate to the device you want to roll back the driver update for, go to Driver tab, then click Rollback Driver and proceed with the process. Lastly, uninstall the audio device driver. Do that by opening Device Manager, expand the Sound and Game Controller section, right-click on your audio device, select Uninstall Device, and once uninstalled, restart your PC. Now Windows will automatically install the necessary drivers for your audio device. And those are the following ways on how you can fix the following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.